Remember that one?
Uh-huh.
How about this one? How about this one? How about this one? So it's sounds like the beginning to a Rolling Stones song. But this is A minor.
Black, is that what that is?
A minor is this is so we're gonna play some A minor chords here for you in a minute, but you have to get these notes. One, that's an A, that's a B, that's a C, that's a D, then open E. Then
or
a
you
G.
could play with your little finger if your finger was good.
You could G and an A.
This is A.
So there's your notes. A, B, C, D, E, G, A.
And you went to this bottom string then.
I switch strings on you. I know it's tricky. It's tricky, you know. It's really tricky. Has that kind of gypsy sound to it.
Uh-huh.
Okay. Yeah.
And that's
gypsy,
A.
It's A minor.
A minor. I like it.
A minor. So this is an A minor chord here, just in case you ever want to learn it. It's this. You're not using this finger at all, thank goodness. But it's, so that's an A note, an E note, C note.
I can't tell which fingers you're pressing down because all your fingers are there. So you've got this.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Okay.
Where
does the second one go? I can't see the second one.
This one's on.
It's all the way down.
It's the third string and the third fret.
So the second string is open, except that now I'm going to
It's covered by this finger.
This one's getting both of those?
Coach, you're a genius.
Jesus.
A genius you are.
Christ, okay.
Have another old fashioned.
Scooter. So, are you covering this? This finger's covering two strings?
This finger's covering two strings.
Scott, don't be mean to me.
I'm not mean to you. I was just telling you. That's the one that...
Is that what you're doing?
This.
Scoot, what I'm telling you is I can't tell by looking at your fingers. You'll have to say it out loud to me. It's the first string on the second. Okay, so it's covering these two strings.
Yeah, that's hard.
Ah.
4 strings. Oh
yeah.
my God.
And then where's your little finger?
Well, the third finger here is what's out here. Why am I teaching these guys minor chords? What the hell am I doing?
God, really.
And where's the...
Yeah. Again, using the little finger to finish off the chord. That's it right there. Because mandolin, those minor keys sound pretty mandolinish, kind of gypsy-ish, Italian-ish, you know, Mexican-ish, blues-ish, whatever, jazzy-ish.
Okay, that's it.
I like that one.
Not quite getting it.
So, now I told you the notes.
Okay.
And now I'm just going to strum a little bit so you guys can, you know, noodle around. And Coach, you can noodle all you want here.
Okay, first just do some without us noodling around and destroying what you're doing.
Yeah. I won't touch it.
Okay, me either.
Yeah, okay.
too.
How can I just damp it so I don't make any